Yes, and welcome back to another episode of myself, Luke. So I hope you had a fantastic week. So I'm going to be very quick today. In today's episode, we're going to go over this piece of news now. We're going to look at the Bitcoin price. I need to show you, unfortunately, a bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. And then I'm just going to highlight something very interesting to do with meme coins and AI and gaming. So stay to the very end. I'm going to explain that very quickly, and then next week I'm going to start jumping into AI and gaming tokens to get ready for this crazy parabolic year this year, especially as I think that gaming and AI will be the narrative of the market. It will be the sentiment of the market this year. Again, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave any comments in the section below, leave a thumbs up, even a thumbs down if you don't like what you're listening to, and let me know what crypto, gaming, AI or other coins you're interested in. I'm always interested in seeing what you guys think. So just very quickly with the news. So yeah, I won't spend too long on this, but the FTX founder, Sam Bankman, has just been sentenced to 25 years in prison, and the rest of his group, I'm not too sure about the rest of them, but yeah, so this was huge, obviously, over the last couple of years, and they dropped from what I think was the top 10 or top 20 and collapsed, and yeah, so one of the biggest frauds in the crypto space, but it hasn't really affected anything in terms of crypto. I mean, with the altcoins, a few things are down, but for the week, everything is pretty much in the green, except, as you can see, we've got KuCoin and Phantom, which are in the red, Casper as well, and a few others. So just jumping over into Bitcoin and the price, I was just looking at the 4-hour, and as you can see, we do have this slight, we have this bearish divergence. Now, if you've been following me, I have been speaking, I try to keep it objective, of course, on this channel. I am long-term bull with Bitcoin. I think eventually Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million. Probably think I'm crazy, but not this cycle. For sure, maybe by 2030, in the next cycle, I think easy we could hit $1 million, that 7-figure Bitcoin. But for this cycle, for sure, we're going to go, if nothing major happens, not like a massive black swan event, we're going to go over the $100,000 level. So it's just a matter of when and not if. So short term, yeah, we do have this bearish divergence. So if you're trading on the daily, doing short-term trades, just be careful. We do have this bearish divergence forming, and right now as well, if I just zoom in slightly, let me just get rid of this. I think you can see what I'm going to draw. We have this beautiful M pattern. So again, just be careful. So we have that bearish divergence on the 4-hour. We have this M pattern forming. Yes, I did speak about this head and shoulders pattern and this potential bull flag here, but it looks like we're rolling over. So if you've been following me short term, I have been talking at length about the fact that we'll probably, let me just get rid of this, go back down to these Fibonacci levels on the weekly. Let's go to the weekly, it'll be better. There we go. All right. So I mean, we're doing so well in Bitcoin over the last year. I mean, it's been pretty much all the way up, but I mean, it's not healthy just to keep going up like this. We need to have retracement. Of course, I'm happy if we do go to the upside, but just to be realistic, we do have pullbacks. I mean, the last couple of weeks we did have, it's been pretty boring over the last few weeks. I mean, it's so fast how Bitcoin goes from parabolic moves to boring, and that's the best time to keep accumulating Bitcoin, especially before the halving event. So yeah, just be careful if you're doing short-term trades at the moment. I do expect us to come back down to some of these levels. I'm not saying we're coming all the way back down to 20k. I know some are expecting it. I don't think we're going to see that now, but who knows what could happen. But yeah, so for the Fibonacci on the weekly, I'm looking at the 51, the 44 and the 37k levels are very important. So just for the daily as well, let me just get rid of this. There we go. So just be careful of that 4-hourly bearish divergence. So yeah, now it's going to be the weekend as well, so not a lot happens. I mean, it'll just be retail investors over the weekend, or the big institutions obviously stop for the weekend. It's also, don't forget, Easter Monday, so I don't know, probably everybody will be off that day as well. So Tuesday will be the day to see the start of the week for crypto, when all the big guys go back to work. Tuesday we'll see where we're going next week. So personally, I don't think we're going to pump past, I hope I'm wrong, we go past 73k. I think personally we're going to roll over with that bearish divergence, but again, that's why I show you yesterday I showed you the possible upside, but also the downside. Short term, tad bearish, but of course this year completely bullish for you guys. So I mean, for Bitcoin. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the technicals of Bitcoin. And just jumping over very quickly to Dogecoin, something I noticed is the market cap of Dogecoin is 30 billion. Okay, why is that significant? Well, I mean, Dogecoin, a meme coin, is probably the most popular meme coin. It's just a meme coin, it has no utility, but it's 30 billion in market cap, right? Just let that sink in, because if we go to gaming, have you noticed the market cap? It's 33 billion. Dogecoin has the same market cap of the entire market cap of gaming, okay? And if you look at AI is only 41 billion. So Dogecoin has almost the same market cap as gaming, the entire gaming market cap, and the entire AI market cap. So why is that significant? Well, if you think about it, one meme coin has all that money in market cap, and the narrative for me this year with gaming and AI, big data, this will be the driving force for this bull run, in my opinion. And it just shows it's going to, for me, it's going to, I mean, it indicates that the market cap for AI and gaming is going to be absolutely astronomical. If Dogecoin, a meme coin, can go to 30 billion, where do you think AI, the whole market cap, and with gaming, where do you think it's going to go? Let me know in the comment section below where you think the market cap of some of these coins are going. Let me know as well any gaming or AI big data tokens that you're looking into, or you want me to talk about as well. I'll be interested in what you think. But for sure with gaming, if you're not in this, I mean, Beam for me is going to be fantastic for this year. Gala, I've spoken about Gala a few times before. You can go and check out one of my videos. I think we will definitely go past its all-time high. Last time I spoke about it was at 2 cents, 2 or 3 cents, and we've already done a 2-3x with that. Something else I've been looking at was Shrapnel. I mean, Seedify, I think, will be huge as well. So a launch pad for games. Any launch pads, I think, will be fantastic. A really good bet to go in with your money. So again, none of this is financial advice. You have to do your own research. I mean, most people are going to lose their money anyway. 90% do. So you just have to be careful, do your own research. Don't even listen to everything that I'm saying. And with AI as well, I mean, BitTensor has been absolutely pumping and ripping Fetch AI. I've spoken about 3 AI tokens yesterday. I'm heavily into Flux, and I think PAL AI as well. So I'm going to go into this in a bit more detail next week with AI and gaming, so stay tuned for that. And I think that's pretty much it for today. If anything major happens over the weekend, you can find me on Twitter. Again, all the links are in the description below. If you're trading, then you've got my Bybit, Bitflex links in the description below as well. So guys and girls, thanks for watching, sticking to the end of this episode. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye-bye.